Hey everybody, it's Camper Randy. I'm here in Monroe, Washington at the Speedway RV lot for Lee Johnson Chevrolet. We're going to be taking a look at the Sierra fifth wheel. It's a 379 lock. It is not. It's a 379 flock. That's F-L-O-K. Not what you're thinking. So first thing you'd like to see is that big windshield. Now, the view you get from inside, you'll love, but it just looks great on this very solid and protective front end cap. The storage starts right here. Ample storage in the front. Extremely easy to lock your door in, and you're able to store tub after tub in here. Then when we come around to the side, we have a propane holding area. We have one on this side and the other side. They're for 30-gallon tanks. You have ample pass-through storage here. You got your spare tire. You've got a light here and a light at the other end. And on the other side, you'll have your self-leveling. We got 10 or 120 volt power and cable hookup. If you follow me this way, what you'll see next is your spray port. The trailer comes with an accordion style hose that plugs in here. Now you got freshwater cleanup on this side of the trailer. Outdoor speakers and another spot for 110 volt power. You'll see your security camera above the stairs. Now this works in conjunction with your backup camera. So you have two camera positions. One, while you're driving down the road, you're able to see what's coming up behind you, or when you're backing it into a spot. And this one I love because it acts like a security camera for your home. You're able to see it on your phone, you're able to see it on the monitor in the truck. If anybody approaches, it's like a Ring doorbell almost. If somebody approaches your front door, you can see them. So what I love about the Sierras is they all come equipped with aluminum structured, vacuum bonded walls. So these walls are all aluminum framed, vacuum bonded, and when you do that, you really strengthen the wall up. You get further down here, and this is your second entrance. What you'll notice here is the other leg for your awning, your automatic awning. It's electric. It has a LED strip that runs full length, so your awning will come out 9 feet, cover both entrances and this slide. The next thing you'll see is your outdoor kitchen. I love this outdoor kitchen. The door gives you a cover over the top if it starts to rain. You've got a plumbed in sink, which means you've got hot and cold running water here, and your sink is plumbed into your gray tank. You've got a microwave, so you can cook anything out here, little pizza pockets or hot dogs or corn dogs. Tons of storage. So you got a nice outdoor fridge, so you can have your cold beers or your soda pops or the fixing for making a meal out here. You've also got a barbecue, so you can take all those fixings, put it on your barbecue out here. This line attaches to a gas outlet right underneath the side of the trailer. And then when you're traveling, you're getting ready to go, you bring your barbecue around back, set it in place, drop the pin, and you're good to go. We come to the left side of the trailer, you find your water tank, storage. This will lead underneath your master bed. And if you notice, it's got carpet in here, so you can put some delicate things in here. It's not gonna bump them around too hard. Here's where you'll find your power outlet. It's a 50 amp circuit. It's a dual axle, but it has 6 stabilizing legs. So you have 3 on either side, giving you, what is that, 10 points of connection to the ground? That's a pretty stable trailer. So this is the other side of your pass-through. We talked about this earlier, but you'll see you've got your battery disconnect, and that's real important for when you're storing it. You want to turn it in the off position then even just the slightest LED light, it's not going to sit there and drain your battery while it's being stored. And you don't come back and you've got dead batteries and you're trying to load up your trailer to go camping. And now you got to charge them up. The next point you'll see is your control station out here for your freshwater tanks, your waste tanks, so your city water hookup, your black tank flush. When you hook your water up to your black tank, it's flushing it out as you're draining your black tank, so you're able to get rid of all of the waste. You've got a hot and cold control for your outdoor shower, and then you've got a built-in water filter. You also get a little LED light in case you're doing this at night. Great thing is, the way they put this cap in here, when you're running down the road, you're not getting any road dirt in your unit. But you're able to run all your lines up through here. You can close your doors and lock them while still hooked up. Let's go inside. I'd like to show you the dance floor. Love these stairs, they're strong. I'm a big guy, you get lots of support. This is a wide open door. It's 32 inches wide, I believe. And then when you come in, you got these nice high ceilings. I told you I was going to introduce you to the dance floor. That's what I like to call this up here. What I love about this room is these two slides, because they're opposing, and when they go out, they open up this giant dance floor. I mean, it's a place to entertain. You're going to have a lot of good times up in here. I love this front end. You have your sound bar, fireplace, windshield. Oh, you know what I really love is when I don't want to watch TV, I put it away. But when I do want to watch TV, I can just bring it right out of the countertop. When I don't want it, I put it away. When I'm camping, I'm probably not watching a lot of TV. I'm outside most of the time, but in the evening, I'm probably gonna watch a little TV. These beds are extremely easy to bring out. Pull the pillows, you lift up this front end, it comes out, your legs fold out. And you just drop this backside and you've got an RV queen. And you've got two of those in this front end. So you can have 4 guests easily stay overnight with you. Or grandchildren or whoever you're gonna invite. Or don't invite anybody. Goes away, super simple. And you got your dance floor back. That takes us to the kitchen. Actually, we haven't talked about recliners. So you got recliners, you got 2 of them with cup holders. You wanna put your feet up, you can. They're Thomas Paine. They're a furniture manufacturer that builds incredible furniture for the RV lifestyle. So let's look at that kitchen. First thing you see is a ceiling fan. So in the summertime, maybe you're just moving cool air around. You do have air conditioning over the dance floor, over your living room. I'll quit calling it the dance floor. So in the living room, you have air conditioning unit that supplies that room. It's ducted through the ceiling, so you have individual vents in the ceiling, which if you notice, these ceilings are over 9 feet tall. That's a ton of room. What's nice is when you come in the trailer, you have your central control panel. You can run your awning in and out, run your slides in and out, your lighting for your main cabin, your galley, your entry, your awning lights. You can connect to your Wi-Fi right here. And then it gives you all your tank readings. 110 power cable backing for a TV, so you can do a small, 20-inch screen TV here with USB ports. And then you've got storage here, which is where I typically keep my information for the entire trailer. And then you have a residential fridge. This fridge is as big as mine at home. Kind of looks like mine at home. It's got 1 pepper in it. That's about what I do. Then you got an so you have the same size freezer as you would at home in any GL double-doored refrigerator. The next thing is a 30-inch microwave, residential style, 4-burner stove, oversized oven. This oven's big enough to put any size turkey in there. You have a pantry. I love this pantry. You've got great depth. You've got the easy slide, soft shutting shelves. You've got tons of storage. You've got for your glassware, plates, cups, bowls, 3 drawers, more counter space, more power outlets, 3 more shelves down below. Then we get to the island. I love this island. Starts with a farm-style trough stainless steel sink. When the industry went to this, it was a huge breakthrough for them. Gets rid of that centerpiece. Normally you'd have 2 drains, a center thing. You couldn't stick anything in it. Now you can put whatever you want in your sink. Has the residential style faucets, and then you have more storage here where you actually have a place for your trash can, and 3 more drawers for silverware and kitchen utensils. Then we get up to the dinette. Great thing they've done here. They've gotten rid of the legs. Look, I'm not bumping or anything. Solid, it's mounted to the wall on an L bracket. It's extremely comfortable. You're not kicking that center leg all the time now. Everybody gets leg room in this one. Then we get to one of my favorite parts. We have an in-house vacuum system. So I'm able to plug a hose in here, which comes with the trailer, and it reaches every aspect of this trailer, so you can vacuum all of the carpets, so you don't have to store a vacuum. Then we get to our bathroom. Now this is a huge bathroom. You've got a nice big mirror here that if you're not as ugly as I am, you enjoy looking at. Residential style faucets again, nice deep sink. Porcelain toilet, it's not plastic. Then you have your laundry facilities. You have washer and dryer hookups hookups in this closet, so you can do a stackable washer and dryer in here. And I have saved the best of this bathroom for last, because this shower is awesome. I love a shower a guy my size can just easily step into, have tons of room, sit down if I want to sit down, probably finish that morning coffee and just letting the water hit me. So I love that you've got 3-piece doors, so you never feel cramped in here. It's just a nice shower. You don't get big showers like this in RVs a lot, and they do a great job with this. Now then, when I continue down the hall, I do have a second entrance here. We get into the master bedroom, where we find a king bed, its own control, its own environmental control system. So you got a thermostat in here, running your heat and your cooling. This king bed has more storage underneath. So behind me here, we get a entertainment center where we have satellite and cable hookups for a large screen TV. You've got backing in the wall for a TV mount. You've got overhead storage for gaming, maybe if you want to do gaming, and you've got 4 opening doors here for your storage. On the other side of this wall is your outdoor kitchen. So here again, we have 2 opposing slides, giving us lots of extra room. 2 closets, 1 on either side of the window. So you've got plenty of space for hanging your clothes up. You have a full chest of drawers here. Nice deep dovetailed drawers, so everything's plywood. There's no particle board involved in this build. Then you have 4 more drawers here under the window. So you've got tons of storage in this room. Great thing about this master bedroom is, wait a minute, I forgot to tell you, there is actually storage above the bed, and you have reading lights with power and USB ports on both sides of the bed. That's very important for anybody that has like CPAP machines or anything like that. But you close this door and you get all the privacy in the world. So that wraps up our walkthrough on the Sierra 379 Flock. I like saying, make sure I say that correctly. It's a 379 Flock. It's by Forest River. And I tell you what, you come in here and ask for Camper Randy for a personal tour. I'll take you through the whole camper, and you end up buying it from me. You get a $250 parts credit in in our RV store. You know what? You come in and you tell me you saw this video on YouTube, that parts credit, $250 parts credit, I'm gonna double it to $500. So come on down, ask for Camper Randy when you come in. I'd love to give you your own personal tour of the 50 different trailers I have here on the lot. Sure, we can find one that meets your needs and your budget. Thanks again for watching this video. And if you want to get a hold of me direct, email me at rbirdsong@speedwaychevrolet.com. Thanks.